everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your collective medical account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your collective medical account, open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in secure.collectivemedical.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the login area of Collective Medical. Go ahead and enter your email address followed by your password to get access to your account. Make sure to enter your email address correct that is associated with your Collective Medical account and head over to the password field and type in your password correct. If you don't remember the password, click Forgot Password link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After typing in your credential, click the Sign In button and you'll be able to get access to your Collective Medical account right from your computer without delay. That is how it can be done. Collective Medical is a healthcare communication service that connects medical service providers across the country to exchange emergency department. Now that is how you can easily access your Collective Medical account from your computer. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.